This thing on?
Yeah.
What's up, my keto friends? Don't hit the table.
Sorry.
What's up? Oh, wait.
Why are you looking
Where's the lens?
It's right here.
Because the monitor, it's always stupid.
Okay.
It's always one of those things.
It's right there.
That's what I'm looking at.
Okay, let's start.
Right now.
From the beginning.
What's up, my keto friends? No, we'll get all that.
No.
I can't edit that.
Yes, you can.
I can't. What's up, my keto friends? What's happening? Listen, it's been 23 days since we uploaded any type of content onto our YouTube channel. We had planned on a big Christmas series, just like we did Thanksgiving series. And that last week of Thanksgiving, we pushed out 3 videos, which is unlike us because we're stretched and we usually push ourselves to get 2 out a week. That's because we, this is our side hustle. It's our full-time gig. So we stretch ourselves trying to get 2 out. We pushed 3 out and we wanted to do it before Thanksgiving. So we did that week. So we kind of felt, okay, we put 3 out. That gives us like maybe a week break because people don't want to see us that soon again.
Yeah, they did.
But people probably want to, just they don't care. They get a notification and they'll watch your content. That's the way it works. So we were going to travel to Kansas City.
And we did.
Which we did. And we were going to shoot all of our Christmas series at our daughter's house who lives in Kansas, Delori Hewley.
What, should we tell them her name?
Well, sure.
Okay.
She's done her testimony with our grandbaby
on the YouTube.
On the YouTube.
On the YouTube.
So, that being said, it's been 23 days since we uploaded any content. The reason we're uploading it now, what's wrong?
Nothing. I'm all forward and you're all back.
The reason we're uploading it now is because we're crazy. No, we're uploading it now because it's been 23 days since anyone heard from us, so we figured we would come on and say, hi, guys, we're not dead.
You're such a rambler. Okay, so what had happened was...
Hey, people got it,
We drove here on Saturday after Thanksgiving. Sunday after Thanksgiving. We had Thanksgiving with my mom and my brothers on Saturday.
And that's not rambling, is it?
The very next morning, we left to come to Kansas City. Well, me and my mom both were kind of worn down because we had done 2 Thanksgivings, like food and stuff, and cleaning the house and shopping. Because when we got here to my daughter's house, 5 people coming, we all went shopping. So we shopped and shopped and shopped because she needed groceries. And of course we eat keto. So we needed to buy, stuff for, that we would eat. So 2 days later, we started feeling kind of under the weather. And then the next day, I was literally in bed all day long. I did not feel good. Byron kind of didn't feel good one day. The next day, I started feeling a little bit better. And then I lost my sense of taste and my sense of smell. 2 days later, my mom was really sick. And so we had to take her to the doctor. And she was diagnosed with COVID and double pneumonia.
Which the pneumonia is not a big thing. Well, it is a big thing, but she has gotten it every year.
Yeah, she tends to...
Oh. Wow.
She tends to
get out of there.
She tends to get it every year. And so this year, it was really bad. She came home. She took some antibiotics, but it did not clear it up. So she progressively got worse and worse and worse until finally, after I think 3 days, I said, Mom, let's go back to the doctor. And she was like, let's go tomorrow. And I said, let's go now, because she was bad. Took her to the hospital, to like a little community hospital, and they admitted her. And that is where she still is. My mom's been in the hospital for 4 days. I have not been able to see her. This is like the longest that I have not been able to be with my mom since my grandbaby was born over a year ago. So it's really hard because anytime, especially my mom, I'm always with her. Like if she goes into the hospital, she broke her leg one time, I was with her until she got out of the hospital. She broke her ankle, I was with her. So, she's my mom. So I'm always going to, try to be there with her. And so now because of COVID, I'm not able to be with her, and that kind of sucks. And so we've been dealing with illness. We've been dealing with, like I said, my mom being in the hospital. So we have not been able to make any videos or anything like that. So sorry, guys.
Yeah, it's not like we weren't planning on. I brought actually my entire studio of equipment.
Yeah.
Here in the van. And I was prepared, lights,
camera,
audio, action, everything.
Yeah.
I had it ready to go. But it just didn't work out because of the illnesses. And I'm pretty sure the COVID hit us too.
Yeah.
We didn't get tested.
We were only sick down like literally one full day. But
I feel 100% if somebody would have tested, I would have popped positive. But I'm already through it.
The sense of taste and the sense of smell thing going away, that was weird. Because I didn't have any sinus drainage, or we coughed like for maybe 2 days, but we didn't have any kind of like...
It's kind of a dry cough.
Yeah, you know how like when you blow your nose, if you have a cold, you can blow your nose and you can kind of taste like if you've had a stuffy nose. There was no blowing nose. There was no taste, no smell for 4 straight days. It was so weird. So that was like one of the telltale signs I think we all... Oh, and by the way, 2 days after we took my mom to the hospital, my grandbaby got a fever and it was like 103. And so we were like, oh, let's just take her, make sure she's okay. And then we took her to the hospital and she had a fever of 105 and she was diagnosed with COVID. So, yeah. Speaking of which, they just got home.
The in-laws just walked in. It's kind of weird. Anyway.
Where's Jovi? I didn't even see him bring that. Sorry.
They left her.
That grandbaby.
On the porch. Anyway, so it's been 23 days. No content. So we wanted to come on real quick and let you guys know what we've been dealing with and why there has been no content. I'm not sure if there'll be any content for the next 2 weeks, but
probably not, because next week we'll be doing Christmas and stuff. So just letting you guys know, we will come back full force in January and we will blow your socks off.
A New Year series.
Yeah.
New Year.
Yeah. So we just wanted to come on and let you guys know what's been going on and what we've been dealing with. And I hope you miss us, because we miss doing content and talking with you guys.
Yeah. And remember, Cobra Kai never dies. I heard that somewhere.
Anyway, bye.
How do you turn that off?
I don't know. It's
Oh,
a new phone.
No, the